How to get paid from YouTube. To earn money directly from YouTube, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program or the YPP. Now, the requirements are 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million short views in the past 90 days. Both thresholds must be met before you can apply. So once eligible, you're just going to head over to youtube.studio or the studio.youtube.com. From here, you're going to head over to the left side panel and then you're going to tap on Earn. Now, once you're on the Earn tab, you can here apply for YPP and you can actually see the status, whether you're already eligible. So you can see here that I'm not yet eligible, so you need to have at least 500 followers. You have to at least have 3 uploads in the last 90 days, and these are the views that are required. Now, YouTube pays or through the AdSense on a monthly basis once your balance reaches the $100 minimum threshold. Payments are sent between the 21st and 26th of each month for the previous month's earnings, and if you don't hit 100 in a month, your balance rolls over until you do. If you're interested in any of these that we're talking about, you can just check out the link below in the description, and I'll see you soon.